Hi friends! Today I'm introducing the C808 4WD RC Crawler, a compact yet powerful 1x18 scale off-road climbing car designed for young adventurers. This RC car features a distinctive tube frame with a pigpen style, streamlined for barrier-free crossing and optimized climbing performance. Equipped with a 370 motor, the C808 tackles 45-foot growler and climbs effortlessly. Its 20A ISC ensures smooth power delivery, while the LED spotlight brightens your path. Built with a high ground clearance, enlarged tires, and a diamond-shaped metal-geared axle, the multi-link design boosts stability and maneuverability on any terrain. With anti-slip wear-resistant tires featuring a hollow design for shock absorption, this crawler excels on grass, sand, highways, and cross-country paths. Feel the roar of a realistic engine sound combined with cool lighting effects, making every drive and adventure filled with speed and passion. Perfect for kids who love off-road challenges, the C808 4WD RC Crawler delivers thrilling climbs and unmatched maneuverability for hours of fun.